So if we actually get all the jobs that we are meeting with right now, all the potential jobs that we have coming up, we might not have to live under a bridge. So that would be very nice. What?
Right turn ahead.
Where are you going? Look at this. Why would he do that?
Especially in this area.
This is photo enforced. There are 2 cops behind us. Oh my god. Oh my god. We haven't been here forever. Wow, this place has changed. Oh good, I can clean my shoes from our Western adventure. Is that what these are for? That's what I use them for. Oh, huh. Wow, what a cool looking place. All right, Mia. Get your ass in there. Oh. All right, doesn't it look like he's about to give her a spanking? All right, you have to wave the wand in front of the mirror to see what princess you are. Let me try, I'm a better princess.
I found that I didn't mind being a frog, as long as I was with Naveen.
Hey, my man.
I'm not mad at you, brother. She's a gorgeous young lady.
Oh, thank you.
Are you a paparazzi today?
I am. What's your name?
My name is Kurt. You just say, hey, baby, to your girl and walk it out.
Hey, baby.
Now walk it out.
Walk it out, honey.
No, that's okay. That's what I'm talking about.
All right. I think we need a couch like that. Look at what they have at Puzzle Zoo.
Look at Mom. Look at Dad.
That's crazy. I think they're asking $30 for it.
You get this, right? This is just exercise built. You don't do this in a song generally.
Honey, it's playing your little animation. This guy, he was like trying to fix his Bieber hair, walking like this, and he like headbutted Mia. Oh, that is just too stupid. The gas is $4.39 here. That's something you don't see every day.
Look at that one. It's so cute.
I want one. Can we get one? Moochie will love it. Hi. Hi.
Don't go behind her.
This would be so funny in our backyard, right? Let's do it for Jerry's birthday. Let's do this for Jerry's birthday. Oh. Hi. Oh, you're eating a carrot? You're eating his head. Well, he eats the carrot. All right, goodbye, guys.
Small.
He's so cute.
Is he really heavy?
Mr. Chicken. Mr. Chicken. Come here, Mr. Chicken. Good, Mr. Chicken. Would you look at our purple flowers? I think I know what that is. I'll bet they're playing that game. Yep. I've never encountered so many annoying people until I moved here. They're playing some game where they snap something. They do it for hours. It smells so good back here right now. Let's go swimming. Wow. Look at the flowers on this. I can't believe that. Oh my God, does that smell good? That's crazy. I'm trying to imagine having absolutely nothing better to do with my time than to sit outside snapping something for hours. I can't imagine. Man, that is stupid. What time is it?
5:30.
How many hours have they been doing this stupid thing now?
When did we get home?
I don't know. I can't believe these idiots have a frog. Alright, time for bed for me. Time for bed for... Yeah, time for bed for me. That works. Yeah, good night.